Hey friends, this is Care's Chorus in the key of G. This is a really kind of an old song that I know from my childhood, and I hope it brings back some special memories for you too. Make sure to stop the video. If you do, click on the video below. You will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in. So I'm going to show you the basic chords that it takes to play along to this song. We have G, C, D, E minor, and then we have an A minor. So let's find those. So I'm going to play the G up here probably. So here's a G, B, D. Okay. And those three notes make up that G chord. And then we have C, found by this group of two black notes, the C to the left of them. Play every other note. We have C, E, G, and there's our C major chord. Okay. Move up one set of notes and then pick up this black note in the middle. And we have D, F sharp, A. And that is our D major chord. And this kind of makes a triangle. So it has the black note up at the top, two white notes, and there's our D major chord. If you move up one set of notes, you're in the E minor position already. So we play E, G, B. Every other note there, that's our E minor. Okay. And then that A minor, I'm probably going to be playing that. You could play, with chording, you can go up or you can go down different octaves. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to play it probably down here. So here is the A, C, E, which makes up that A minor chord. Okay. All right. So left hand is going to be playing just single notes, keeping it really simple. I'm going to put pinky on G for this song. Key of G songs, I typically do that. Line up these 5 fingers and keep this hand here the whole song. And you're only going to have to move the thumb up to that E when you need to play that note. So I play single notes when I play right hand chords. Okay. So G to G, A minor to A in the bass, C to C, D triangle in my right hand with D single note down here. And then for that E minor, notice how I just move that thumb, just open it up to play that E by itself, okay? All right, so I'm going to sing and play through. This just has a chorus. It's just one, typically you have a verse and a bridge and chorus and all the things. So I'm going to play through it, and so you can see how it sounds and bring the two hands and the rhythm together, and then we'll break it down for you, okay? I cast all my cares upon you, and I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And anytime that I don't know what to do, I will cast all my cares upon you. Okay, so how we're bringing those two hands together is a ratio I call 1-to-3 ratio, and that just brings the two hands together for a song that's written in 3/4 time signatures. So there's typically 3 beats per measure, and I'm just going to break that up into this together, right pattern, and that looks like this: together, and then just the right hand twice. Together, right, together, right, together, right, and so on. Okay, so that doesn't always, fall true through the whole entire song. Sometimes 2 chords might share the 3 counts. For example, in the very first 3 counts there, it goes like this: I cast. So it's kind of a pickup note, but I'm not going to get into the theory of what that would look like from a traditional standpoint. But you're just playing that D one time, and then you transition actually into the G 3 counts there, okay? So you can also break this up into just doing right hand only with me, left hand only, and you can also slow down the playback speed as well. Okay, here we go. That D triangle there, and then transition to the G. Cast all my D, back to that D there, cares upon, here's the E minor right next to it. Open your thumb up in the left hand, you, and then to the G. And you could have went up to that top one if you'd like that sound better. I just like the sound to sound a little bit lower there, okay? Second line there. Lay all of my G burdens. Right next door is the A minor. Down at here, these two chords share that 3 beats. So they go A minor, C. So it goes down at your, and then pick up the 3 counts here. Feet. Okay. Third line there. G. And anytime that D, I don't know. G. What to C. Do. I will G. Cast all my D triangle cares upon and G. You. And that's it. Okay, so you can go back to the beginning of the tutorial, slow it down, right hand only, left hand only, and then bring the 2 hands together. And then play along with me with this final playthrough when you feel comfortable, and keep going when you mess up. Here we go. I cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And anytime that I don't know what to do, I will cast all my cares upon you. I cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down at your feet. And anytime that I don't know and what to do, I will cast all my cares upon you. And I will cast and all my cares upon you. I cast all my cares upon you. I lay all of my burdens down